Well, Eric Roberts is one of the biggest stars in showbiz with over 500 film and TV credits to his name. The Hollywood icon has been churning out the blockbusters since the 70s. From
earning an Academy Award nomination for Runaway Train and rubbing shoulders with Sylvester Stallone in The Specialist. This is Eric.
You think you know me? I asked you a question. You think you know me? Because the way you're looking at me, we must be old friends.
To starring alongside Heath Ledger in The Dark Knight and headlining the star-powered action hit The Expendables.
How did two obvious professionals pass right through security personnel, kill 41 soldiers and get away? With hell, that's how.
That was a great movie. The actor has given his famous sister Julia a run for her money and has passed on his passion for performance to his daughter Emma Roberts. But now Eric is surprising audiences once again, opening up about his most personal concern yet.
And Eric Roberts joins us live from LA. Welcome back to the show, Eric.
Hi. Before we get started,
yes.
Two things Australian. Kyla Graves, an American musician who plays my stepson Keaton Simons, had just moved to Australia, so check her out. Yeah. Kyla Graves in Australia.
Right.
And what's the other?
The rocket. They'll get to it.
Oh, yeah. The rocket's available in Australia now. Now, the rocket you can find out about by the website gotomyrocket.com. Getmyrocket.com.
Getmyrocket.com. We better go there. We're gonna warm you up a little bit, a little bit of like foreplay before we got to the rocket. But you know what? You've just gone straight for the rocket. So tell us about the rocket. This is a personal concern of yours, Eric, isn't it?
You want to hear the story how I got involved?
I
got involved like my friend John Hoffman. He's a business partner of mine. He comes to me and he goes, Eric, I have the cure for ED. I said, I don't have ED. He says, it doesn't matter. Try this. So I tried it once. Oh. It worked.
Hang on, okay, ED. So I said, ED, you need to tell our viewers ED. What does that stand for?
Erectile dysfunction.
Right.
So it worked. And I said, congratulations, John. He said, will you talk about it? I said, absolutely not. He said, but I won't pay you, so you're not going to be a paid spokesman. You'll be like my friend because it works, Eric. So then I was embarrassed, of course. Huh. So then I tried it a lot.
Right.
And it worked every time. And I said, John, you have a drug-free, wonderful way to enhance.
I need to ask you a question, Eric. It worked every time?
Every time I used it,
Excellent.
It worked.
Okay, yeah. Now look, can you explain how it works? You know, morning TV, because it looks like a blender.
Well, you can't really explain it on TV because you have to show the situation, or I have to use words.
Stop right now.
Yeah.
Well, I am kind of interested.
But there's lots of stuff to talk about it. That's to talk about, and that's just one thing I'm doing these days.
Right. But I thought that you had intimacy issues yourself.
I don't, fortunately, and my wife is even here to back me up if you want to talk to her.
If she can just lean in and give us a thumbs up, that'd be great. If she just leans in and gives us a thumbs up.
Lean in for a thumbs up?
Yeah, just give us a thumbs up. All right. Okay, here we go. There it is.
Yeah, it's coming.
This is the non-erectile dysfunction thumbs up from the wife. And
thumbs up, nice. It's true. It's true.
Nonetheless, it worked every time you used it. Great. Well, that's really good to know, and it's available here. What else are you up to when you're not?
Oh, we finished with that. We finished with erectile dysfunction.
Well, actually, Eric, though, it is a very big concern for a lot of men, right?
Oh.
You know what? The only thing bad about it is they're offering all these drug answers, and having been a drug addict in my life, I don't do drugs, so I don't do medicines. So I was very supportive of my friend John in that it's drug-free and it's fun.
And it's fun.
But a much more interesting subject for me these days is I just became a grandfather. my wife and I became grandparents.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, her name is Georgia, and she's now 10 months old.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, and once you know what, when she's a little bit older, you can Google this segment and run it back to her. That'll be a treat.
Oh, that's a great idea, actually.
As we say goodbye, what about your next big film role? What's on the cards for you, Eric?
Stop by my doctor. We're doing number 5 now. It was supposed to be a 1-up, and we're up to 5. So check it out. Stop by my doctor. Lifetime.
Beautiful.
You know, if Elton John hadn't used the name Rocket Man for his movie, you could have gone ahead and used that for your next movie. But anyway,
And it's a great idea.
Really,
I think we have to buy the rights to his song now.
lovely to see you.
Thank you, guys. I love doing your show.
For more information about The Rocket, you can head over to our website.